we make it. The future, we are coming. The trust of customers conducts the future direction. The perfect experience shows high quality. We have accumulated almost half-century for brand heritage, agglomerated the world's leading core technology. Using high quality explains consumer goal, and the faith casts the future. Qingdao Hisense Hitachi Air Conditioning Systems Company Limited was founded in 2003 as a large-scale joint venture company, cooperated between Hisense Group and Hitachi Air Conditioning, which currently is one of the largest scale production bases for VRF air conditioning system in China. Based on more than a decade of absorption and transformation from international top-level air conditioning technology to push on the development for national technology industry continuously and make more users enjoy the new type air conditioning experience with advanced and high quality. Hisense VRF6 standards for high quality. 1S standard for world-class product R&D. With world's top-level research and development teams, fully implementing green design philosophy, taking quality control and user experience precedence, and infusing the strongest brain power to inject the inexhaustible creative energy. 2S standard for world-class parts procurement. With the stringent procurement regulation, cooperate with the leading suppliers in various fields so that establish a solid foundation of excellent quality for the whole machine. Hisense VRF. Ensure your Hisense with high quality and credibility.